And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube. Got one new goodie this week. The rest of the goodies are coming in next week. Yeah, I've already showed you half of this. Excuse the shadow on my forehead. It's I'm getting ready to move this thing sideways or whatever. I know it's not COVID. But yeah, I picked up, I ordered this on, what did I order on? I think it was eBay. I like these wrenches. And I'll show you my latest creation. Not creation, but thing I picked up. So, down the bench we go. And I got this one and this one. These are my, well, this one I've already had. Let me turn the light on here. There we go. But yeah, these two are, this is, I don't know what size it is. This is a number 7 BMC Corp, Birmingham, New York, or Binghamton, New York. And this is a BMC number 9. And I like them because they work like vice grips. This one needs oil, actually. Speaking of which, let's put a little bit of oil on it. Come on, does it work? Guys, want me oil? Of course there's no oil in here. Of course when I want oil, there's none, right? Yeah, put a little, it's got a little rust in there. I don't understand why people, you buy old tools off them and all of a sudden, like, nobody on the planet knows how to use oil all of a sudden. Like, oh, yeah, okay, here, I'll sell you a tool, it's got rust on it. Not one of us ever thought to put oil in it. No, because, you know, that'd be a problem. But yeah, I like them because they have a flat, like, let me clean this for you here. It's got a little oil on it. But they have a bite that just goes, I don't know if you can see it. They don't have the big bulge like in vice grips. Like if you look here, no, that's the wrong one. Wrong vice grip. If you look at vice grips, on vice grips, they have this little like bulge in here. These ones have flat surface, so if you want to really get a nice flat bite on something like a piece of metal, you can just, I don't know if you can see that, but see, you can get it, well, I didn't tighten it up obviously, but it gets nice and flat. And these things have a nice little grip on them. They're actually pretty comfortable, and I'm like, yeah, these are pretty cool. It looks like they're just sheets of metal. It's all been riveted, like all pinned together. There's 2 rivets here, rivet here, rivet here. There's Bakelite inside it. There's an adjustment. Like my other one, like the smaller one I have, it goes really well. Which I should put oil on this one too. See, it's getting a little sloppy there. Some oil in there, see? Oil and oil. But yeah, see it. This one definitely needs oil. It was a little bit stuck when I got it. See, it doesn't spring back a little. But they're really good. I like them. This one doesn't have the little scale on the sides. It just has a 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 1/4. So when you bring it up here, it says you can get to 1/4, and apparently it's 1/4. This is nice and juicy now. It's got oil all over it. But I like them. If you look up on eBay for BMC wrench, you can find these things. You see them on Marketplace sometimes. What I hate about Marketplace is they're always selling these things, but everybody always has it like it's in a lot of like 50 other tools, and you're like, look, I just want that one. And I'm like, I'm not one of these people that takes the entire lot of tools for like $35 just because I want one tool. Like, no. I usually just want one tool and only one tool. So, but yeah, they're like an old version of vice grips, except these ones don't. I don't know. Wait, let me see. See, they have the little leverage thing. Just wait, let me close it a little more here. Doesn't work either. Okay. Put them in there, and they have the little like cam mechanism like vice grips. The only difference is the newer vice grips have the little push the thing to pop it out. This one has a kind of like break your finger type thing mechanism. But yeah, they're nice tools. They make a good little, I don't know. I've been trying to find cheap ones because the price of these things has been going up and up, and I think I paid like, I don't know, $15 for this free shipping. And if I see another one, $15, I'll get another one. Anyway, that's the end of my tool rant. So, adios, enjoy. Hope you liked the video.